In this video, let's learn how to enable dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. We can enable dark mode in two methods. Let's learn first method. Normally, you can see this mobile has light mode. I can enable dark mode by swipe your notification bar and you can see dark mode option. You can click on it. After you can see my mobile is going to enable dark mode. Now let's learn second method. Now again I enable light mode. Second method is go to your mobile settings and go to display option. In here you can enable light mode and dark mode. Now let's learn how to schedule to enable dark mode automatically. You can click on this dark mode settings option and you can enable this turn on as schedules option. Okay, in here you can set custom time to enable dark mode. Click on this set schedule option. After you can select starting time and end time and click OK. Now the dark mode is automatically enabled and automatically turn off on your custom time.